Hello everyone, you might remember about a week ago when I was doing the Leader 3 review, we talked about giving away a frame. This is mine, and I'm going to keep it. But this can be yours, and you might be thinking, it's a frame. It is a Leader 3 frame, and out of the kindness of my heart, I am going to throw in a bunch of parts. Some of them are used, but they all still work. Most of them are brand new, or there's some portion. You'll get this box of parts. You can build a complete Leader 3 out of the components I have put in here. So, 2 sets of motors. And this should make you happy because these are 1107 6000 kV Hawksky. These are 1106 4500 kV AOK Fly. So if you want more traditional sort of leader, you would probably go with these. We've got a 15 amp ESC that should be fine for 2.5 inch on 4S, but I'm not quite certain it would hold up to the 3-inch prop on 4S. So be careful there. You may want to swap this out if this is not your cup of tea or you don't like this particular one. We have the Leader VTX, the FSD TX600. This is just like what comes on the Leader. Oh, and the flight controller. I just never got around to using this. This is the Microlux V2, as you can see right there. Never been used. I did plug it into Betaflight, make sure it connects to USB. Foxeer camera, the Micro Predator. A little short on the lead. I didn't have any unfettered leads. This one, I have 6 of these cameras, so I thought I could spare one. 2 sets of props. So we've got the HQ 3030, which are the original Leader 3 props, and we've got the Gemfan 3035 props. They're yellow. I don't have a lot of these props just as of yet. I'm getting more of them because I really like them. You notice that on my Leader, I have those props. I found that they gave a little bit more punch. The control was a little bit better, I thought, than the HQ props. And the efficiency was actually a little bit better, even though it's a higher pitch, a little extra 5-degree pitch there. So this is the giveaway. These are all the components. You can build one yourself. You can sell it if you don't want to do that. You know, once you win, it's yours to do with what you want, and I'll be taking whatever steps I can to make sure all the components arrive to you safely. I will cover shipping costs if the winner is here within the United States. I apologize to all our friends overseas, but when I open it up to the entire earth, I have no idea what the shipping costs could be, and I could end up in hot water here with the family, and I can't do that. If you win and you're international and you would like to receive this package, I will work with you to try to get some shipping taken care of so that you can have this package. Traditional shipping methods are typically fairly expensive depending upon how far from the US we go, but we could try to work on something. So don't fret if you're a long ways away from me. We might still be able to get this to you at a reasonable to no cost, but inside the US I will cover this cost, except for like if you live in Alaska or Hawaii or Guam or something like that. Continental US. To get in the giveaway, hopefully you've made it to 3 minutes into this video, you need to be a subscriber, you need to leave a like on the video, and then leave 1 comment and 1 comment only. Those are the 3 requirements to be in the drawing, so if you leave more than 1 comment, you're out. If you don't subscribe, you're out. If you don't hit that thumbs up button, I can't believe how many giveaways I've had twice as many comments as I have thumbs up. Why are you entering the contest if you don't like the video, people? Come on. All right, that's all I got. Good luck to everybody. I appreciate your time, and thanks for watching.